Alright, ladies and gentlemen, very therapeutic. Very therapeutic. What is going on, man? It's Nice Swag. Welcome back to another video. Thank you all for stopping by. Today's video, we got a good one. We're going to be getting a wash and style method in. If you are new to the channel and you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing down below. It helps the channel grow. And while you're here, please like the video. It helps support the video. Thank you so much. First, let me show you what I'm looking like, then we're going to get right into it. Yes, ma'am. All right, ladies and gentlemen, first let's wet the hair, let you know prep it for the wash and style, and we will continue. If you have your brushes, follow along with me. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got the hair wet, curly, and prepared to apply our shampoo. As always, we'll be using HD Waves Iconic Shampoo. The link to these products will be in the description down below. Shout out to HD. Let's get it in. Let's apply our first coat. You do not need that much. I'm using about a fingertip. You do not need that much. You seriously don't. Sometimes less is more. So I'll grab it in my hands just like this, rub it together, and then apply. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now I got everything applied. The soap in. We're gonna grab our shower brush by Brush King. Shower brush, we'll brush everything in, get it laid down the way we want, and we will continue. Grab your brushes and let's get it in. Then I'll take my lather off my brush, put that back in my hands, and then just reapply. We do not want to lose that lather. You want to keep as much of that lather as possible. Lay everything back down and continue. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, when you have everything brushed in the way you want it, the way you desire, you want to rinse this out. Then we're going to reapply our shampoo. That way we can get everything ready to lay down and rinse it out. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we rinsed out the hair. Let's apply our last coat of shampoo. Then we're going to rag up. As you will notice, the shampoo even lathers up even more. This is due to the fact now that your hair is stripped and cleaned. You don't have any oils, you don't have any products, you don't have any butters in your hair. That will give you better lay and better results. Clean hair is the best hair. See that lather? We don't want to get rid of this. I'm gonna keep all that. All that is goodness. I'll take my mesh rag and literally apply all the soap directly to it. It's going on my head anyway. You could follow. You could try this if you would like. Just what I did. I toss that to the side. Now let's brush this in, then we will rag up. The wash and style was introduced to the pages in the wave community by young OG Wavy. The wash and style cleans and strips the hair. It prepares it for a haircut. People use this on cheat day to help, extend their pattern, excel their pattern. As long as your pattern is in there, you can, always do a wash and style. I recommend wash and styling at least 3 times a week. Toss that to the side. Then I'll grab my curve. Also by Brush King. Shout out to BK. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, very therapeutic, very therapeutic. Let's take the soap, apply it back in our hair. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now that we got our waves, our hair laid down exactly the way we want, let's grab our rag. We have our rag. You like that? Let's rag up. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now that we got everything laid down with the soap, we're gonna rinse out with cool to warm water. You don't want cold, you don't want hot. Cold will shock your hair, we do not want to do that. But cold water will lock in moisturizer, it will seal in, it will add shine. Hot water will like, more release, Cold will do this, hot will do this. If that made sense, it made sense. Alright, cool. Let's go rinse out the hair and then we'll come back. Keep it locked. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now that we're back, we rinsed out the hair completely. We left the rag on, rinsed out all the soap. We are going to leave it on until it completely dries. Disclaimer, do not take off your rag until your hair is completely dry. For the love of God, do not take off the rag. For the best results, keep it on so it's completely dry. You'll know when it's dry. And then we're going to take it off. I promise you're going to want to stay tuned. Keep it locked, and we'll come back for the results. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back. We're back for the results of the wash and style method. I have let my hair completely dry. I haven't taken it off. I haven't done anything with it. Now let's unrag and find out the final results of the wash and style method. Yes, ma'am. That thing came out lovely. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. If you like today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Let me know how you feel about today's video. First and foremost, I want to thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, and I want to thank you all for tuning in. Until next video, keep it locked, and may God bless.